Hello guys, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on AngularJS. As we have gone through many videos on AngularJS such as installation of AngularJS, introduction to AngularJS, today's video is really interesting and innovative. Today's video is about controller in AngularJS. I will explain in brief about the controller. Controller takes the data from the view, process the data and send data across the view. So let us see the main part. This whole part is of view in which you want to display data on the browser. According to that, this view is adjusted, means data is sent to view. Next part, here demo app is a name of Angular app. Then controller, just now I told you, is a demo controller. Controller takes the data and send across data to the view. Now tutorial input text box. This is an ng stands ng in the sense we are dealing with AngularJS. Here tutorial name variable. Now where app is equal to Angular module, demo app is the name of app. ng in the sense is known as directive. ng is known as directive. So app controller, demo controller, function takes the parameter, and this is value of the member variable tutorial name Sanjay AngularJS tutorial, and script tag is closed and stop. So controller, demo controller makes a div tag the ability to access the content of the demo controller. Here is the tag, div tag. So now I will execute the program. Yes, NG sir. Building the app. Yes, fine. Now, yes, app is displayed, created. Second app, Sanjay tutorial, yes. This page takes times to load, so please wait. Here loading is going on, that's why it will take some time to load. Since it is a graphics is there and the server is running, please be patient for a few seconds. Yes, it is loading. Please be patient. It is loading. Yes, it is Sanjay Mahajan AngularJS tutorial. Now I will type here. Sanjay Mahajan second tutorial AngularJS. Yes, it's work fine. So I successfully done with AngularJS with controller. I taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.